farm with my dad in Demotte, Wheatfield, Indiana area. We farm just under 2,500 acres, all corn and soybeans. This is Case IH 2366. This is our third season with this machine, and we really like the Lincoln automatic lube system on it. I wouldn't own another combine without one. We're well over 600 separator hours on the machine. Haven't had one single bearing problem with the machine, and this time of year, downtime is expensive. Running this combine over about as many acres as we possibly can, and it wasn't that much money for a little peace of mind that everything is getting grease when it should without relying on my schedule and time, plug grease tips. I can't say enough good about it. Like I said, I wouldn't own another combine without one. My dealer called me when we had this combine ordered. My dealer called me and said it's available. Would I be interested in trying one? And I said, sure, let's give it a shot. I understand the new ones have got a little bit larger reservoir to where one filling might last an entire season. The way it is now, I do have to refill the reservoir about 3/4 of the way through the season. So I understand the new ones have a little bit larger reservoir. That's about all I would change, I think. No, we haven't had to touch a bearing on the combine. I haven't pulled anything apart. Just they seem to be holding up fine. Nothing is loose or a little wobbly. You can my pre-season checks, I go around and check everything and make sure there's no bearings that are getting a little iffy. Everything just looked as good as new. I was concerned about when we ordered it that they would be getting too much grease and I'd have grease dripping off all over the combine or collecting dust and creating a fire hazard, but that has not been an issue. They get just enough grease without over-greasing it. It seems like a well-designed system. Each day I spent about 5 minutes, and then about every 3 days I'd have to spend at least a half hour greasing everything. Some grease zerks that needed attention every 50 or 60 hours, and other ones needed attention every 10 hours. 100%. I'm very happy with it, actually exceeding my expectations.